Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Ollama is a powerful Python library designed for working with large language models, LLMs, and implementing retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, workflows. RAG combines pre-trained language models with external data sources to generate more relevant and context-aware responses. Getting started with Ollama. Installation. Before you can use Ollama, you need to install it. You can install it via pip. Basic concepts of RAG. Retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, involves two main components. One, retriever. This component fetches relevant documents or information from a data source, like a database or an API. 2, generator. This component generates responses based on the retrieved documents and the user query. Implementing RAG with Ollama. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to implement RAG using the Ollama library. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. First, you need to import the required modules from the Ollama library. Step 2. Set up the retriever. The retriever will fetch relevant documents based on the input query. You can configure it to use various sources of information, such as a text file, a database, or even an API. Step 3. Set up the generator. The generator will generate the final output using the documents retrieved by the retriever. Step 4. Combine retriever and generator. Now you can combine both components into a RAG system. Step 5. Running the RAG system. You can now create an instance of your RAG system and test it with some sample queries. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to implement a simple retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, system using the Ollama library in Python. The example provided demonstrates how to set up a retriever and a generator, combine them into a RAG system, and perform a query to get a relevant response. Next steps. Explore advanced retrievers, example vector-based search, using Elasticsearch, etc. Experiment with different language models provided by Ollama. Integrate your RAG system with a web application or a chatbot for practical use cases. Feel free to adapt and extend the provided code to suit more complex requirements or different types of data sources.